Got this 2013 Buick Encore, or Encore, however you want to say it, with the ecotec engine. And the oxygen sensor is bad. This is the downstream one. The second one. So I always highly recommend you get the factory original equipment sensors. There it is right there. There's a plug right there. Sometimes you have to heat this up right here with the torch. This is cherry red. I tried cleaning the sensor with soaking it in gasoline. I tried cleaning the sensor, soaking it in gasoline. That didn't work. So, and heating it up with the torch. So I just bought a brand new one. Like I said, I always like using the original one, original equipment. When it comes to sensors, I don't trust the aftermarket. Some other things might be okay, but sensors, nah. Went right in. This new one has like a heat shield right here, as you can see. Simple, you just gotta lift the vehicle up and get under here. It's not that hard. Could be a little hard if it's really stuck on there, but like I said, you just heat this up with the torch all around here and it should be good. Should crack open, crack loose. I was getting the code for an oxygen sensor delayed, and it was saying it was for the number 2 sensor, which that's the downstream one. All right, should be good.